Hello traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, in this video we are going to review our smart hedge board, and we will talk about that how much we started with this report, because this report is going to double the money that we have funded in this account, and we are on the way towards doubling our money. So right now if we go to the today's section, then you can see that it has made the profit of 51.20, and you can see these are the trades that are closed by our licensed robot that is called smart hedging board. We have given the name to that robot. It basically uses hedge and a semi-martingale policy for using its trades. And if we talk about that, how much we have started this account, so right now you can see our balance is 123730. So basically this account was almost started with 100000. So you can add after 150. So this account was started, and you can see a very good gain of 23730 in the last 2 to 3 months, right? So this report is going very successful. So guys, the problem with my broker is this, that it deletes the history after every 22 days. So otherwise you can consult the previous videos on YouTube. You can check that when we started this account, so how much it was. And if you talk about the last week profit, so you can see this is the profit 2050 that is gained into the last week. And with the very low drawdown, there is nothing, I mean there is no problem with the with this, because it's working very fine. So you can see that we have a different trades here, and that are closed by the robot smart hedging board. And if I take you over, then you can see there are a lot of trades, I mean these are closed by the bot. Okay, if we go to the last month's history, we have a withdrawal as well, and the withdrawal is 4000, so 4000 withdrawal, and the profit that is it is showing for the last month is 5636. However, the profit is much bigger than this. And if we talk about this profit, because the figures that is showing in the last month, this is not right, because the broker deletes the history. If we go to the 3 months period, so let's have a look, maybe the profit will be more. Okay, now look at here guys. Basically we have started this account before, but it is not showing its history, because it is already done with the profits, and the broker has remove the history. Okay, this is the live account as well. You can see that smart hedge board live, and it's working on a real account. So this is the drawdown right now, and you can see my open positions. So guys, this is the account that we have also shared with our subscribers on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of this video. So this is the live account. This is the right now drawdown. So this account is set up on a VPS, so that it should be 100% automated. So guys, this robot does not need any kind of human effort. It's one time set and forget. Even you can set up it on a VPS, or you have a laptop or computer, you can simply use this robot. So guys, if you're really interested in making money through the forex robots that are reliable, and guys, you can see that this is the robot that we have also done with a withdrawal as well, and it's working on a real account. So guys, if you're really serious about making the money through forex market through the automated systems, then guys, this robot is for you, because this is going to be your right choice. So if you want to book your license for your Mt4, then you need to contact us on Telegram, WhatsApp, or you can also contact us through our official email, that is info@200forexpips.com. So guys, please like the video and subscribe the 200 forex pips. Thank you very much.